Hello guys, uh, you are watching my channel Bank on Gate and I am your tutor Onibar Jesharkar from Techno International Bhatanagar. Uh, the given math is the eigenvalues of the matrix, given matrix are option A, B, C, D. The four options are here. This math come to get 17. Production engineering. Clear? So how we find the eigenvalue? If we find the eigenvalue by characteristic root method, that means a minus lambda I equal to 0. That means after that we put the value of a, that means 1 minus 1 5 0 5 6 0 minus 6 5, and lambda means lambda, and I means this matrix is 3 cross 3 order matrix. So this identity matrix is also 3 cross 3 order. That means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and after that we get a characteristic equation, and solving this characteristic equation, root of the characteristic equation will be the eigenvalues of the following matrix. Clear? So this is very lengthy process and very time consuming process, as this question gives you 1 marks to the gate. So so you have to apply the process, which is very time saving process, and the time saving process is the property of eigenvalue. And this is the tricks. The property of the eigenvalue says that determinant of the matrix, that means determinant of A equal to product of eigenvalues. Clear? If we find the determinant of A as a normal process, that means 1, that means if we consider 1, that means 5 6 minus 6 5. Then if we consider minus 1, that means minus minus plus 1, 0 6 0 minus 5, and after that we consider if 5, that means 0 5 0 minus 6, and uh, determinant of A gives us the value of 61. Clear? So determinant of A gives the value 61, and now we match from the answer which gives the value 61. That means whose product whose product value gives us the value 61. Clear? So we write the determinant of A equal to 61. Now we multiply the eigenvector. 6 into 5, that means 30. 30 into minus 1, that means minus 31. So this is wrong answer. Clear? If we choose this means 1 into minus 5 plus 6i into minus 5 minus 6i. If we take common minus from this, then we get minus of plus 6i 5 minus 6i. That means minus 25 minus 36 I square. I square means minus 1, so that means minus 61. Clear? So this is not match with 61, so this is also not the eigenvalues of the following matrix. And if we find the option C, if we see the option C, then this means 1 into 5 plus 6i into 5 minus 6i. That means this one is a plus b into a minus b. That means a square minus b square. Clear? That means 25 minus 36 I square, and we know I square means minus 1. I square equal to minus 1, so we put the value of I square in minus 1. Then this is 25 plus 36. That means this gives us 61. So this is option C is our eigenvalues, because option D also shows that 5 into 5 25 into 1 25. That is not match with 61, so option C is the right answer. So this is very time saving process. So what we do, firstly we find out the value of the matrix, that means determinant of the matrix, and then we see the options, because our property is determinant of the matrix is the product of the eigenvalues. Then we find the options and multiply those eigenvalues whose value is matched with the determinant of the value is our given eigenvalue. So our option C is the given eigenvalue of the following matrix. Clear? So guys, if you like this video, and if you think this is important for you and your friends, then please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.